Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make some delicious green peas recipe. So this recipe is all plant-based and trust me, it's just going to be super delicious. In a pot I'm going to add in 1 onion, garlic and ginger. Cook the onions, garlic and ginger until soft and fragrant. When the onions are starting to have a golden brown color, I'm going to be adding in my potatoes and carrots. Stir in. As the potatoes are cooking, I'm going to be adding in a few spices. So I'm going to add in some garlic powder. I love garlic powder. And also paprika, ground coriander, curry powder, a bit of black pepper, along with some cumin seeds. 1 seasoning cube. Stir in and let the potatoes cook together with the spices. Add in a little bit of water just to cook the potatoes. I'm going to let the potatoes and carrots cook for around 3 minutes, and then I'm going to add in my already boiled green peas. When boiling my green peas, I usually add salt to boiling water, and then I add my raw green peas. The salt is going to help the green peas not to turn color. That is a good trick for making some awesome and colorful green peas stew. Check on my potatoes. At this point, I'm going to be adding in my tomatoes. Stir in. This is how my potatoes are looking at this point, and the potatoes are almost cooking through. So I'm going to add in some green peas. Stir in. Just look at my green peas, they look so delicious. Add in around 2 cups of water and let the potatoes fully cook. That is going to take around 3 to 4 minutes. So I've checked the seasoning and the seasoning is not perfect, so I'm going to add in a little bit more salt. You want your food to be fully seasoned so that it can be delicious. This is how my green peas stew is looking at this point, and the potatoes are almost ready. Just look at that. So I'm going to add in some cooking cream. Stir in. At this point, my green peas are almost ready, so I'm going to let this simmer for around 1 minute so that everything can turn out so good and creamy. After 1 minute, I'm going to be garnishing with some coriander leaves. This recipe is worth trying. You can just check out how creamy my green peas are looking, and everything is cooked to perfection. So this is a recipe worth trying. Many of you have been asking me about this recipe, so here's the recipe, and I hope you're truly going to enjoy this green peas recipe.